Hi there, I'm Chef Randy Feltus.
And I'm Gemma Elizabeth, Design and Color Director.
If I can describe the community kitchen in one word, it is cornucopia of awesomeness, which is 3 words, but it deserves all 3.
There's a few hyphens in there, I think.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Okay, if I had to pick a word to describe this space, I think it's inclusive. That is my word. I feel like everything about it ties people together.
It is an inclusive cornucopia of awesomeness.
This is the first one. It's the first time we're introducing a full-out kitchen space in our community rooms.
It's the first one because usually the community rooms don't have a kitchen.
No, this is the first for us. This is a big deal.
It's truly unbelievable because I think in the community, you have all these people that have condominiums and they need somewhere to hang out and they need somewhere to cook.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make this like almost rad kitchen slash restaurant slash just really cool room.
Hangout zone. It's a spot where, you know, you can cook and you can be efficient and you can do work, but you can also hang out, you can enjoy your time, and just enjoy the community, meet neighbors. Sometimes, you know, you won't come across people that you might not have met in the hallway, but it may be in the community room.
It's a social room.
Yeah.
With food and maybe
Kind of
TVs
idea.
and wine.
I think it's perfect.
Wow.